My name is Atul. I'm from Delhi, and for the last 6 months, I was having a problem of breathlessness and covering a distance. I was not able to cover long distances, and it was reducing day by day. And discomfort was there on my chest, compression. And I approached Apollo and come to know, yes, they are having that particular team and department. I visited them and I met Dr. Gautam Nayak.
Mr. Atul Methil is a pleasant 58-year-old gentleman who presented to us with significant shortness of breath and reduced exercise tolerance. He also had some degree of chest discomfort and had 3 episodes of syncope, which is loss of consciousness. His echocardiogram revealed severe aortic valve stenosis, and incidentally, he was also known to have a mass on his right kidney, which was later found out to be a tumor.
So I just searched for the alternative surgeries, and there is a procedure called TAVR, and the recovery was very short, which was essential for my case.
So given his age and comorbidities, we had an Apollo heart valve MDT to discuss all the various options. We try to do this for all our complex heart valve patients so that this is a patient-centric approach and we can give the best to our patients. The panel had decided that surgery and transcatheter valve therapies were both viable options, and the options were discussed with the patient.
Clarifies my queries, listen to me very patiently, explain me everything in detail, and after meeting him before my surgery, I was 100% assured about how the things would go and how my procedure will take place.
He preferred the less invasive transcatheter approach. Hence, after discussion with our team, implanted a Edwards Sapien 23mm transcatheter heart valve. He is now fit. He's come to us for follow-up.
I want to thank Dr. Gautam for his patience, for his very excellent work procedure. Right now, it's a post-surgery period. I'm very much comfortable with the procedure.
And transcatheter heart valve therapies have now revolutionized the landscape of valvular heart diseases. But choosing the right patient for the right therapy is very important. We at Apollo Heart Valve Clinic gradually and regularly strive to give the best to our patients suffering with heart valve disease.
I want to say thanks to Apollo again for all the support and help I got. Thanks.